In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram filters not working. If you're experiencing issues with Instagram filters not working, don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. So the first thing that you can do is to check your internet connection. Sometimes filters fail due to poor connectivity. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Second thing, and the second concern would be the location permission. Certain filters rely on specific locations. Ensure your location permissions are enabled for Instagram. The third thing that you need to do would be to check the hand and face permissions. If you're in the region with legal requirements grant Instagram access to your facial data, head to settings, privacy, data permissions, and head to hand and face effects if available. The fourth thing that you can do is to update Instagram. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Instagram app. Fifth thing that you can try out is to log out and log back in. Sometimes a single log out and log in can refresh the app. Sixth thing that you can try is to clear the app's cache. Clearing cache data might help. You can do this in your phone settings. The seventh thing that you can do is to check phone storage. Ensure your phone has enough storage space. Eighth thing that you can do is to restart the app and phone. Restart both the Instagram app and your phone. The ninth thing that you can do would be to try filters from Reels. Use an Instagram effect directly from a Reel. The last thing that you can do is to reinstall Instagram. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. Remember, filters add fun to your posts, so let's get them working again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.